This is the BBQ Depot, and we have the new Lynx Sedona L601 Grill. This grill is on a cart. It can come either as a built-in or on the freestanding cart. This is the 36-inch grill, which will have 3 burners. And you can also get it with a Rotisserie Backburner as an option. The grill has a spring-loaded assist, making the hood opening and closing very easy. It has a 1-level warming rack. This particular model, which is a Prosear model, has 2 blue flame burners and 1 Prosear burner. You can also get this grill in 3 U-shaped blue flame burners. The new feature in this grill will be 2 halogen lights on the inside. And you will also have blue LED illuminated lights over the knob. It has 2 heavy-duty rod cooking grids, a Prosear burner, and this one has the briquette tray and the U-shaped stainless steel burner. Lighting this grill is super easy. You just hold the knob in and you will see the electrode will spark. This grill operates off of electricity for the lights and the ignition. If you should not have power, there is a battery backup, and your battery is located, you can feel it right under the faceplate, a 9-volt battery ignition that will light the burners in the event you don't have power. On the grills that have a rotisserie backburner, they now have a rod storage on the back. And this grill, lastly, has an analog thermometer. We love the look of the Lynx Sedona barbecues, as if you wanted to use it as a built-in, you can always use Lynx accompanying cooking equipment in your island, and you will still have the same uniform look. It is made in the USA and has a lifetime warranty on most of the parts of the grill. If you should need any parts, the BBQ Depot stocks all of them. If you have any questions, contact us. Thank you.